So, before moving any further, I urge you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and set the notifications to all to never miss a future update. Thank you. So hello friends, today I'll be teaching you how to operate free VPN on your Android phone. Yes, free VPN, a VPN without ads, completely free. So the first thing you have to do is to search on is to open Google Play Store and search for Open VPN Connect Fast Safe VPN, this app. So you have to type in Open VPN Connect, and then it will list at first, and then you have to download it. I've already downloaded it, and then it's okay, it's all right. You have completed the first step, and then now you have to open Google Chrome. You have to search for a website called vpnbook.com. So please search it, VPN Book, and it is a website which provides you with free VPNs and all the links. And remember, as it is free VPN, so you won't get that kind of speed, but the speed is moderate, so you can easily use it, and it will be good enough. So you have to select any VPN of your choice. Like, there are many VPNs which are free, like Poland, Deutschland, and from US, UK, France. So you can select your favorite country's VPN, and then you can download the OVPN file. So I am downloading Deutschland's file, Deutschland, which is Germany. So it is downloaded now. So you can open it now, and you have to open it with some archiver or file manager, and then you have to extract it to the archive name. So we have extracted a file to the archive name. Then you have to open the Open VPN app, and then you have to select the OVPN. You have to select that I'll choose from the OVPN file, and then you have to go into the extracted archive and select your country's OVPN file. So I'll be selecting Germany's OVPN file, and it must be here. So yeah, you can select any of the four. If some of the files don't give you the good speed, you can try with other files too. So you will get the username and password on the website only. So it is VPN Book. The username is VPN Book, and the password is Z93CVFV. So you can type the password, and you can just directly connect it, and you can turn on the VPN, and it will connect in a few moments. So it's taking a bit of time here, because I don't find this file to be strong. But when I tried with the US one, it was quite fast, and it loaded pretty fast. So yeah, this file also connected, and yeah, it's good, the speed is good. So now we're gonna check the speed, and you can type in my IP to check your exact location now. So you can see the speed is pretty good here. You can surf the web on this speed, and it's good. If you are getting this for free, and this is without ads, then why not do a bit of hard work to achieve this? So friends, now I'll be searching my IP for you. So you can see it's taking quite a lot of time, and 198, this is definitely not my IP. So I'll be going to share my VPN location with you guys. So it's here. So so it loaded quite fast, and it's showing me 51.68 180.4. So yeah, it's showing somewhere around Maryland, but Maryland is in US, so I don't find it to be German. So I think there must have been some mistake made by me. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. And you can you can select any VPN of your choice, and that's good to, and you're good to go. So friends, if you like this video, please share a thumbs up with share a thumbs up, rate this video, and by your rating I can be better in the future. Thank you once again for watching this video. We shall meet in the next